What can't you reach, Olive? What are you trying to get? You can't reach it? What's stuck? Show me, which one? It's a Mickey Mouse Christmas? Can you say Merry Christmas? Look at Mommy and say it. Look at Mommy. What does a piggy say? No, you're so silly. A birdie says tweet tweet. Okay, do I get a kiss first? And say, I love you, Mom.
Love you, Mom. I love you. I love you, Olive.
I love you, Olive. I'm glad you love Olive, too.